Have a blessed day. You know what's my case? I still do, I'm still Baba, see he did for me. I did my son on my head. I know good.
Wednesday.
So Baba, see he did for me. It's fornication, which can God carry this. So Baba, see he did for me. I didn't go.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I is tasty. Visit me to Kabana Costi. I want Ahenkan FM 93.3.
He said he wipe on my sense. Asana ya make a summer. My town for no they go talk. Say I go flop at the major. That means they go shock. See that boy will be nobody. Nah, them to somebody. And everything will be okay. So, Lord, I don't worry.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed
My
day.
brother make we dance. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na.
Adwuma.
Oh my brother
Adwuma.
Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. The things we are do. You see all my seeds. I still do. I'm still Baba. See he did for me. The things we are say. You know what's my case?
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I made a promise.
Adwuma.
Yeah, I go love you, make you vex, so. Yeah, I go fit to love you, make you vex, so. I made a promise. So make I put a ring on it. Give me that concussion. Oh baby girl, oh, give me my portion. I should be honest, oh girl, I'm on it. I give you warning, guess what? I will give you money even if you know they want it. And if you say you
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Priscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
See the way you the wine, oh. You the blow my mind, oh. Yeah. Can't you see the sign, oh. Yeah, I go love you, make you vex, oh. Yeah. I go make you love you, make you vex, oh. Yeah. I made a promise. So make I put a ring on it. Give me that concussion. Oh baby girl, oh, give me my portion. Give me that concussion. Oh baby girl, oh, give me my portion.
The mid-morning show.
Shine bright like Rihanna. African girl, head to toe, be designer. Hair on fleek, nothing fake from China. Let's wine and dine, the first name the diner. She a
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Priscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Obim Pejenguma Ahanche, Ahansho, Ma Abante, Papi, I am yet to do we run, Obunikede na Ahase. Pinana was the Amena Matapi. Menum some quoted the one mafe. Second Ganyan singing my bad you draw and so I'm in a Mambanti pay. Life is a bitch, come if you're going to share and dame, not a hard day. Wallahi, hey, new guy, but I woke up in a babaji pay. Wawa, you this guy, awa, you this guy, awa, you this guy, awa, you this guy, awa, send me and I'm this guy, awa, send me and I'm this guy, awa, send me and I'm this guy, send me and I'm this guy. Everyone else na me and I'm in Fenchen, Papi, men Fenchen, Joey, men Fenchen. Or they can't or they ba men fenchen. Obom ne minyo kulumpa men fenchen swag. Tobalati. Agim Nejina or Ohawate, and she shoe ne did Agono or Polati, Eje Bune Benya no Okawase. Wakasa Chonanta, Antanti Krup Neko, Antanti Coco, Ante. My class 1 rap, man twanchin. Minya Makanibium, na Ante. I'm in a man want to pay. Life is a bitch, come if you question and hear your day. Now I had your day. Wallahi, hey, new guy, but I woke up in a babaji pay.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
It's been a long time, girl, mommy, who anymore? I know they complain, mama. So sending me for the bay as a container, ma. I say, won't you me a real be the first to bad? Say, would you move on? What's also be you might be the first to call? Oh, I did wish that I wins like a dove. I go fly away to my love. Oh, baby, money,
Friscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti.
The street way solid, Charlie, ping, ping, ping. Forget to COVID. And Sam Shemi boy, my boy was still solid. 2MG with no apologies. We go sell Apollo with no apologies. I red boys, we call them apologies. This be new anthem for the streets.
For the side, baby, we win. Baby, we win for the side. No bad energy. Baby, we win for the side. We win. Baby, we win for the side. No bad energy. Baby, we win for the
side. Like it, but I never stand to be corrected. Hate me if you could put money for your pocket. Fish me, I'm in the waves, I never drown yet. None get sense, they're talking all be nonsense. So job, we go take off on a runway with a new sauce, with a new goals. How the man create, don't be one way on a rampage. Pull up with more than one big. Call it 3 song, but it starts with a 4 play. Final, everything be final. Get the youth brand, heavenly God designer. Fine girl, she be tiger with the head, I don't need no energizer. Find out.
For the side, baby, we win. Baby, we win for the side. No bad energy. Baby, we win for the side. We win. Baby, we win for the side. No bad energy. Baby, we win for the side.
Have a blessed. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your Friscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti.
time. Now me homo bro, now me life net time. And it has only one so into me sign. Single room be made them a paddy be ne nine. Ha! I called my older brother Kenneth Dosu when you know cool. Feel say was starting a hustle with Jaloto. And I'm a team 8 to me so be Jaloto. And I was saying say aha, the bay also do fit to go. Fast forward, man got to hustle. I wanted to pursue music, may rap battles. Brown on air, yeah. Nasuko Kota could be a basic. I'm come back to me, Chromo Kumasajo, so that's the mindset. One no friend, so I stayed I clear. No Konigi, that would trap like a catcher. Most of my God up there, me won't go to James friend. On someone, remember me with feel good friend.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Right, so midweek edition of Adwuma, beautiful Wednesday morning. Folks, good morning. How you all doing? Right, so we're back on the radio, Zali 30, 6 minutes after 10. And the tuning to 93.3 FM, Ahenkan. And of course, we're transmitting live from the Kuya Frakoma studios. And of course, we're here in Achimabwabo in the eastern part of GH. And we are on, in case you just tune in. My government name is Jenim Echampon Boateng Cosmos. Call me Jibruz Money. Call me Kobina Kosti. Call me Abrantipa, the perfect gentleman. And as usual, I don't do this alone. Right, so quick shouts to my able super duper producers. My man Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabu, Wakwankwan. And a big shouts to Kobe K. See other Padumas. Folks, are we seated? Yes. We are on from now to 12 p.m. It's a Wednesday midweek edition of Adwuma. In Chaka Seko Bibiara with the Ofidi at Ahenkan 3.3 FM. Yamawa Kwaba, Samawa Chipa. Alright, so I'm rocking in now. We almost see a kind of baby pink. So what did your parents tell you about men in pink? They said they are real, yeah? And I want to see me for myself so. Okay, send in your messages. 0594-841044 0594-841044. And I'll be more than glad to read this. And also join the live feed on Facebook on Ahenkan 3.3 FM and on YouTube as well. I'm on info now. I'm on join the show live on YouTube. Send in your messages. Our YouTube page is doing very well. Big shouts to Amon info. Moya guy. We can't do this without you, Madaroma. And on Facebook, I don't want to talk about Facebook. Them they bore me. Okay, so we will bring you our daily dose of motivations, our daily dose of Vim, our DDOV here on the show. And it's a Wednesday lifestyle segment. We're also coming away. We'll be looking forward to talk to Brown Nelson on the Express Hour. So stay tuned, stick and stay. But real quick, a quick shout out to all my taxi drivers. Yeah, my realest taxi drivers. A quick shout out to you, Brad David, Apasco, Raouf, MP3, Stagger, Obama, Ricardo, Tanko, Oba Tampa Jonathan, and then the wife Jennifer, and I feel about for Michael, and Koma Tilapia, and Koma Swagger, yes, Swagger, and I'm Piani, Woma Kenya, Big Sharks. Afu Yankoma, Asenifoni Nani Bakope, Salumu the Gambia, Chimasene, Berman Kwanya, Chimasene, Mr. Urban Fashion, and the Chris Charles, and so Enkoma, Patty's Golden Scissors, Enkoma Rejoice Fiabi, and also Kia Dimple. What would you show an opinion? Me patch up and watching. Man, come baby, ne ukwada. Juma. And was so good so this is the best mid morning. You make sure say oh boy Juma. Now you're born on pie. And no one here Juma no. And now today. Juma ye. Juma. And just still a Juma ye. Right, so music of Last Mate and Amrado, they call this one Grace. I love the song. Shabu, can you please bring it back for me? I love this song. And Chris Charles going out to our pen. Right, so 42 minutes after 10, we're coming away in a jiffy with our DDOV, our daily dose of Vim. Stay tuned.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Feel the chili pan, I'm a banty mint to me go. I'm missing my comedy. More plans there for me. If I'm in a me, I'm a head in my ding, I should be tea. Send down your face, 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 send down your face,
me free me chrome bank crying. Now me homo bro, now me life net time. And it does only want so into me sign. Single room be made them a paddy be nine. Ha, I called my older brother Kenneth Dosu when you know cool. Feel say was starting a hustle. And I'm a team of 8. Say, aha, I didn't know you said if you to go. Fast forward, man got to hustle. I wanted to pursue music, may rap battles. Brown on air, yeah. Nasu Koko Taku, the best be a come back to me, Chromo Kumasa, so that's the mindset. One no friend, so I stayed I clear. No Konigi, double trap, like a catcher, most of my God up there. Me go to German's friend, or someone woman, me mammy will feel good, so friend. And the part be a wood as if I'm a jet, the fat, me fata, at the gym, Seneca, many that's all a son, you throw no a back, me so to mempa in the belly of the beast, will never go on my knees, keep papa, me you see, when you are me and you weed or the grass is a bit affecting me growth in this speed, aside all my peace, no bush, that's where you make money. Have a blessed day. That will trap like a catcher, most of my God, I'm dead. We can go to German's friend or someone woman, remember me with you, so friend. If you're a chili pan, I'm a banty mint to me go. I'm missing my comedy. More plans there for me. If I'm in a me, I'm a head in my ding, I should be tea. Send down your face, send down your face, send down your face, send down your face, you know, say I've been busy, the money where I don't get. Search money from long time, you know, the easy I must confess. I want plenty money. I hit my hand for chest. You know the pride. But me then you know say pretty money stop nonsense. So tonight, oh yeah, I go live like said tomorrow no day. Thunder fire anybody won't make a fail. To be a man so be like say
have a blessed day.
How much money no they buy best so make a gyro. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Short away, I see no long make I enjoy, make I enjoy, yeah. Mommy want chop, my
message that's my thought. Papa, dear, on Kwana, Charlie, I'm not anybody else for step. No, too many. I'm calm, I'm mood alone. Sure, they won't keep me for uncle, but she never knows, say, my long was so. Lord of mercy, you know my heart is feeble, Lord, embrace me, Father, bless me. You know I'm thirsty for your grace and mercy, Baba God.
Right, so 93.3 FM. Music of Frankie Bula, he calls that one Jaye. And this is a song from Ekomavo, he calls this one Domina Mindobi. Beautiful music right here on 93.3 FM.
With the apple of my eye, and then why would you say, many one go? Domina me no na sana not
See, me yanka on. Nka enyoma yanko for the brand me from odan hangina. Enye enyoma wait me dey mix like enyoma wait me about radio so never Facebook for more form of copyright. And I copy we don't say. Because this is a Komavo song, no copyright will strike us down. Nah. They won't. Frankie Bula, they won't strike us down. The one we just played, in fact, a movie. If I try what the number about Papa Brand, say about Facebook for more form of copyright. I will form there.
No one will ever take your place. I hold the keys to your heart. Give your heart to me.
Hey.
No one will ever take your place.
Domina me love, yeah. Domina me love, yeah. Oh, that do. Hey. Domina me love, that's all. That's yeah. Why would he say? Many wanna go. Domina me love, that's all. That's yeah. Why would he say? Many wanna go. Say wow. But she's a Pentecost for Mumbo Bambu. And I'm going to Bambu. Right here, go straight to our daily dose of motivation. A daily dose of Vim, DDOV this morning. Baby, I will be on once again. Good morning. I check us up. And a primary free corporate institutions. So straight up and come on. Other staffs of Ghana Commercial Bank. Alpha Yanko Health Insurance. Good morning. Yanko Snakes. Good morning. DVLA. Good morning. Infobium Nayamna. Achimbo Sumi Royal Bank here. Yes. Good morning. And Alpha all the corporate institutions. I'm very familiar with them. But 10 piano. Going through to the show. I appreciate, trust me. So good morning to you all, and to Nana Kwasidakwa, and also to all the teachers of Achim Abuabo Presby JHS. Good morning. Now, so to our daily dose of motivations, our DDOM or DDOV. Being brought to you by Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Yeah, can't get to see Color Studios and Digital Embroidery at Daroma. And yeah, bro, our daily dose of motivations, the DDOM. Now, colors, those and digital embroidery, Shabra, no pay, say, now on sort out. Make sure in Tadia Papa, you better show with D. Go and him. And I say, hey, dear, no, my idea, here. Quaneco, members are here, Munyan. Anna, Tadia Papa, you better show with Deans with the good shade, Yama. As your patron said, see, Mrs. Here, color studios and digital embroidery, Shabra. She said, you be a school, open some of your crest, Edema students. There were Hona San, open some of your for fra, what's a bra. Now on your crest and a farmer, Alfred, a check, you show dingo, fish star, you show dingo, maybe I'll be worried. Open say, designer on no wife, no more limited two fish star with Mufanti Chai for Nazi. Oh, Bobby Yama, cap, near show with Diego home. In fact, pen pencils. I dare be up to see a show within the go come up here and Obana. You sort out one time. There was Liberty Transport, opposite Kenop Pharmacy, 0245 276638. 0245 276638. Now I'll pay and crash and say one daily dose of motivations. Young cost straight. Now for young property right here on 93.3 FM on the mid morning with me, myself, and I. Covering cost several for me can be charged. Me, myself, and I. Right, so young crash and say if we Kevin Kuda. It's the Indra, and I brought motivations from my branch here. Now. Make sure so obi ema mi book ami kan o figure na friend Israel more ayivo. And then also I'm giving you motivations from one Ghanaian by name Kevin Kuda. Yes, Kevin Kuda. But he always keep believing in your heart that something great is going to happen in your life. Just smile, take a deep breath and enjoy your life. Mama sense to be man. But he always keep believing in your heart that something great is going to happen in your life. Just smile, take a deep breath, and enjoy your life. You see, I am a takan sanse when you say, and for life for nenche chero ho chinchin. There be, and for brabono enche chero ho gidi. Just believe in your heart. Says something great will happen to you. Yeah, Gidi wa kumbe mu say. Adia stronko, adia wan bi, adia kasiye bi ebeto. In fact, adia life changing bi will happen in your life. So sometimes if I see people struggling, if I see people, if it's kasabebre, I am not no. You don't know the essence of life. This is life. And I'll pay. Dimple was asking the reason of my DP on WhatsApp. I say, but that life, what does it mean? Life, it means a lot. And tomorrow my WhatsApp number, you know, me DP. It has been there like 1 year or something. Life, it means you should expect everything, anything at any time. Expect Bibia. The most important thing is that believe in your heart that something great will happen to you. Man, fan show dream say, Abrabon be caught 13 the amount. And in as much as you are believing that something great will happen to you, Nintino, and the one say at the body be at all. You see, life and Tessa. Just when Justin Bieber came out to say, he's a born again, is this, and he belongs to Christ, that the one who they are to know. The whole Justin Bieber, one who they are to know. It is not a life in it, you. You shouldn't expect to be beyond caught 30 and from out. When I heard Justin's story, when I heard his comments, I was like, hey, really? Oh no, Paul, not come make up now watching. So that is life. But the most important thing is that believe in your heart that something great will happen. Just smile, take a smile. Yeah, I mean, get everything off head, all your stress. Just smile, take a deep breath, and enjoy life to the fullest. That is the most important thing in life right now. You take off your burdens. You know, Charlie, we are not in good terms. As the politicians will say, we are not in good terms. Or as I can say, sir, we are not in good times. We say good terms, whatever. And I be and as you see, there truly everything here in Ghana, our hardship and everything to Ukraine and what have you. The other country, what is it? Russia. So Ukraine and Russia, I beg. Take off that Ukraine and Russia off your head. Smile, take a deep breath, and enjoy life. Ukraine and Russia, they are also enjoying life. In as much as then they fight, then they enjoy life, then they eat, yeah, then they breathe, then they bath, then they go club, then they go to church. Please take everything off your head, enjoy life to the fullest, take a deep breath, and smile. Mama Facebook, you see, can't you see how I'm smiling? But me to be fine boy, you see they had a smile. I guess small dimple be like that too. 93.3 FM. And I'm paying crash shots. Don't take life too serious. Me, I don't take life too serious. Me. Sometimes, of course, sometimes I do. Sometimes me, yeah, making dream you might be one or two be home. But honestly, I don't take life too serious. Because at the end, it be happening. What I say? So there was all you to say. Nyabutre, bompire, say at the corner ain't happening fast. Just relax. Take a deep breath. Smile. Yeah. But I don't know if you guys have observed this. CCI is like everyone in Ghana ball. I don't know if you've observed this. Everyone you meet on the street is angry for no reason. No one is smiling again. And then, yeah, Ghana, then they see. So have you observed that? Like no one is smile. Obi agbemi. Obi agbemi on our town. And then your economy na thing. I beg you. We know times are hard. But please, Charlie, put on some smile. And then, Obi go no one for pan. But then because of the economy, because of the hardship, wa gbemi go my cousin be. Me say me cousin, my body bright easy, me cousin What in the car man no muna no born space black. And then you see uncle for someone for car. Obi say kotoka. No muna. Hey, srik akra go for car here. Taxi driver. Most srik akra beg akra car and cry on fubi. Because we say the next year the transportation mobile for city. And I'm a beg akra mobile for city from down to Abu mobile for city. But I did some me share can you. Share me for car from mobile to Adwuma for 3 cities. Before car Dukes bedroom 3 cities. Before car on Quantenu at the Baha 3 cities. Before car on mobile the bank Quantenu 3 cities. Aden what's for? Yeah. It's about make up me. I want to live Abu. I want to live on that. Because meaning say, you see me, I'm a prophet too. I'm a shankom. From next year, a year dang. 4 city also. So me, I will live on that. I'll come and live at Abu. Then Kanto. Some me Benz. Me na not just say, but that tough for my na me diaba. Alright, that testaments. What's your no pay brand number testaments, papa? Now for your project, no. First nine. Church na musino, mosque na musino, school na musino, library na musino. Almost your brand number testaments, papa. Papa Joe, man to sikengu, man to sika engu, there be. To see Kangu got toss cement and wow. Number got toss cement and boa papa and one jata cement. Or Bachima Boabo Bompire Junction. You have been head for JHS or Hana be him patch of 059 5544 593 and 05944 17108. Jata cement and your papa seahorse engine oil. They recommended them all the taxi drivers and also Wakuta Wankasao private car, commercial cars, and our fake. Muchi moto pragane abobo yani ade me pacho seahorse engine oil no na bo for eyama wo ma muchi ahyen ahodo enti ukuta taxi or private car commercial car heavy duty truck okwa wo super seahorse 15W40 and a 20W50 afi moto ni pragane abobo ya fon so there seahorse special 40 for 0244 577559 and a 0240 800 007 and up here no pay at one time. Now Ishak Herbal Center semi phantom mema ATM sesi enye nim se wo modro no e natural aphrodisiac chese eboa mema asabio wo maye mre wo mpem bema wo ho nsuo no nkomo no o madeda wo betumi da ye adwuma nenso eba de eba pan de sabi unye bi da me pacho the new best man capsules abama opebito a cure early discharge, low sperm count, erectile dysfunction, severe waist pain, burning sensation, STDs are hold water gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, nigina etuase, offense to prostate enlargement, as a prostate cancer, nigina the new best man capsules, etuase, some of the can natural aphrodisiac, purely herbal with no side effects. So whom Hamza Street, Obenyebi Atho, Ewo Honia, the Concrine, Kenswalk herbal, Rejones herbal. Nana Boachi and our friends so Tinatech. Achemo down the drugstore bia or Chiniba drugstore, Albia Mwafo, Candy drugstore, Coffee School, and now Chumesi always drugstore. Kede a Harry Pill, Mr. Ansong, and our Fay Martin Kumi, a soon phone soon called Blessed Chemical for 0244 966043 and 0208288099. The new best man capsules, a Beji Uber Maje Eddie. Now who's on power bema. Now maybe a quick commercial break. But before, my paying so being going to na fe. I'm in preparation. Me patch my catch says so benum so dia. An natural mineral water. Say nye ana me patch dia wono na nya nsuo. Men nada, I'm saying this on authority. Say wono nsuo na nye an natural mineral water. Enya nsuo. Yare na wono me patch an natural mineral water. Purified. Say nsuo no mu krogen. Achemadan chroma nyina insometi name says me work as a papa unnatural mineral water because I've tried it and I know what I'm talking about. Unnatural mineral water. It contains potassium, calcium, magnesium. In fact, nutrients are hot water and a shemuma. Over to me to be go ban feeding bottle muna fan school. Now who's about on this size? One casa Toby festival office war for Google fridge move for several whole program engagement outdoor executive meetings, you know, most serving unnatural mineral water. Achemadan Hanum for bulk purchase Kogana Commercial Bank opposite Honoma new story building on NRB home FD in Eshas here 0249 608 213 and 0500231091 0249 680 213 and 0500231091 and natural mineral water. See a pure natural mineral water. Alright, yanko bube. Yambu best is here na yambra. Na to pan him one side and na to pan him back up. Akwano is why it is ba men kana say this here. Ba yaba twen. FM Copina Costi, Ahenkan 3.3 FM. Yes, keep sending your messages. I see messages here. Keep. Hey, what is this message? Someone says what's. I know that I don't mention my name. You mention my name, so. Oh, big shouts to you, Balu Sobwai. Balu Sobwai, bro. Good morning. Oh yeah. Right, my call break him, right? Yeah, meba. Keep sending your messages on 0594 841044 0594 841044. Meba sis ya.
Wububa, Jansia Tibo. You and Penfose at Benya Tibetia, Ekinigeni ho, Nanyansaninsu, Yabunube, Yankanasem, Anunti, Ahenkan 93.3 FM, Memini Debia, and Umrenon son Ekopim no tree, Shia, or Hineba, Osu, Ankuma, and Kwame Asante, Wamra, Omadia Konya Kasiana, Omode, Abebu Jumedi Ebro, Sawo and Potamuha, now Betty Mebuba, Brian Kain 93.3 FM, Nabet Raw Cratchy Powers, Ewa Abebum, Sansan Penfoka 2020. Yano Musanania Fagin, Kusianya Fufu and Kubedi, Nancy Wedro and Uncle Boom, Yano Miss Ububa, Yansia Tibo, Memini Debia, and Umrenon son Copim no trick, Case Cruise.
Kwekwe, Babeshe, and a party I'm a coin. Abroachin Sony at this 7 meal. What are you bought to the cramming?
Uja.
Wait, unnatural water. Ah, now tenenka. Unnatural water. Ghana hayani yenu. Na oda say so pamude pona. E wo Ghana commercial bank. Car park one mo. Ene di hwanu mu pe. E wa bonsafu fronu. Enu nti so pendu do Saudi ye wo de wedding. Abedin tour. Party. Se wo nu mo fie. Anadwuma die bia. Me patch free. 0249 680 213 and 0500 231091.
Ah, inso na den and package inso FSA.
Unnatural mineral water. Eye natural. FDA agiatum say eye.
Only the four dream baby obey me aye investment and as obey me di sika akokoto a obey me aye adwuma ma obosomso a when you kakra etumi ade atafre ana ene de make kanfo bisanyame power investment edema and no penny investment company na wo Ghana ha na mo a omo ye very credible omo di sika ne adwuma na bosum bia so no yetumi ama omo oha ne titemu 7% sika bia de beto bia no ye calculate 7% ne yetumi de sanfa so no etumi de ama na wo sika botin no esanso eda ho dwuma koi omo so ye kese no ewo kaswa new market. Sasu no mbesanso another branch. Ewo Tema Committee 9. Agresso Edro de no. For cry. And no ewo Agresso Edro. Ewo Tezaku. And need Donko and Sans. And they did enchenimu. So penchembia associate the medicine Sisia Sudia. From 24 or 0557 228512. 0557 228512. Now it's meaning pay for at me Eddie Sasso a honeymoon. Bisayame power investment will be a fatasodi.
Classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehunama toso fefefe sei.
Classic ointment se de sie nam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma ka de ba chi ni nwie ye kan fa manfo no won mo ya so mre ko pa bie de se ekro de na gu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ.
Classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ.
Ointment ne powerful pa.
Hwe ingredients ya wode ye classic ointment no ebi ne aloe vera, papaya, petroleum jelly, cassia alata. Honam na ni ba bia ekro pimples. Eyam ana propro aguo no. Enu an se anopane nwumre bia wadware wie no. Wode classic ointment no bi ebesremu. Na be hu say yes, ointment papa bi o ba bi.
Me the classic ointment esiesie me ho ama agye me se enye nanso pharmacies, chemical ne herbal shops.
Ane titru, wo hene na herbal koforidua. Frisia baako and Sons Kumasi Edu. Ure pass herbal okaishi akra. Netufo so afre 0544 791 600 and 0500 799 833.
FDA agye edwedi nkrato yato.
Baya.
Yes, Kwame.
Me say, I know big man capsules are the man. My boy, you man passwama. Me ira come for me say.
Big man capsules, no. What do you do 3 points one parcel?
Enya grow ya.
Send me catch you. Big man capsules, dear. Ye do pa. Ye memma who do me ye titru. And the bema why ye mera one parcel. Bearman whom kwamwasa. And in ye sisieni ya. Na kai say do pay. A ye fine care limited. Omudik bedema garlic mixture. And the big man capsules. A big gaso. Na kai say bedema garlic mixture no ye do po. A drono sa stroke ya dear. Diabetes, pressure. Obi a mo gentleman mo frisani ye. De why titriti. Nye wenya koma ya dear. Nye ne bo shishino. Ye ne tiri mo shishino. Ene nye was so person so tie. Bedema garlic mixture no be saninya no wenyina man. Bedema garlic mixture eye the only mixture prakase wom. Obenye nro yi biato e wo pharmacies, drugstore, any herbal shops nyina.
Achim oda ubenya bi wo oda pharmacy na nachumesi drugstore, Kenop pharmacy, Ofaya drugstore, Amoafo drugstore, Walgreen pharmacy. Achim Swedro, Nana Chumesi Herbal Shop.
To phone fra 0248 288 788. With the garlic mixture, any big man capsules, Edu Panunie.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and your offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pedian Musamaya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabri bia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarua who run Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwas. ehyew nyina no ebo ye ho ban afiri ho enna wo mpa omo wanyarewa ne dada no omo nom doctor enuro no ennom imbusaba mesa no a emo ahoɔden pintin ya wo mo ntimpo se yare ehye omo ho imbusaba mesa ewo kansi ene o man mu babia ye to enuro atufo mfre 0246 208496 imbusaba mesa police ni no edro no enkratoyi FDA asayase
Mido, asa na de fia ye hwampa o.
Ha, eye ban 20 ena ma efia ye hwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supra na.
Eye JA ban ni na call limited. Ena wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne na nsen kwada enyoma ni ate se wan. Eye para zo no na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni na afiro. Na ade ba de na ahohura potobidi isi
eya akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata asusu nyina eso atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Bani snake reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wa horo won se uhu ana enu aso na me de wo horo nchase mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
ban wo nyoma no ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabuase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so pomu atua ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho akasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko yima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso omudi ni body say
JA Binding and Call Limited.
Me drew ho sesia.
Pacific Mars Enterprise. Amazing Grace. Yedi abrocha bagana wasesem kura. Akofa niema wudo pe. Edi efia brochira ba. Edi na wo pesa woto. Say brand new. Ana say home use. Say stuffing chair, sofa chair, dining chair, office chair, wheelchair, outdoor chair. Any nkonya wudo edi ha nyina. Say center table, glass, ana say wooden table. Yetunto musical instrument awudo, pumping machine, hand dryer, yetunto microwaves, toaster, electric iron, and fe washing bowls awudo. Ayedema hairdressers, wallpaper fan about them. Afe TV no, yetunto inches awudo nyina bi we aso ye. Na yen ironing board no, ye casual bakope, woolen carpet, and afe shovels nyina. Yakofo original tenter, yetafre tapoli ni biaba, enunti sa opedia rente, ubi aso ya, wobenya biato. Pacific Mars Enterprise. Esantonto bags awudo nyina bi, traveling bags, another school bag, baby scooters so, ya one ye jana so, gym instructors, ya the gym machines apapa, e de febrochiaba. Pacific Mars Enterprise. So free akimoda, na woko swedra, coupon checkpoint one more, any ya wo freyin. 0547 716580 and 0542 308730. Pacific Mars Enterprise. Ebubronkosia adebe insider.
Ewra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bagi.
Bra, aden, enen so biem.
Time heba me hye ya me ka se yi ba akun, ane wayi me yensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hya, esia gyimi ni me fiefo, enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hya, me ka se me di won dance ya heaven ene de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria, we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enunku o, de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no. Time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma o. Oba a wafa afuro de wo ma akwada anofo. Ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi.
Se obeto aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am yehu se wo a 3-day malaria yi bi ansa.
Se o petam heba mixture enuro dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House. Ana ba akoso wo Atonsu Monaco Junction.
Eno echi ura pharmacy shop, chemical shop, any herbal shop dudu na mu a obenya bi ato.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo set time no TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no betu akọ.
FDA ahwe edwadie nkrato yi mu agi atomo se eye.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Kwabra kwasi. And your papa dear, unkwana obo. Charlie dance what don't you Shino, go to my knee. I was so qua.
I'm a care, I'm a new wash. I'm a care, me, I never could be nobody. I'm a care, love me to Lord Jimmy. But when I come out my pants and they see me, then they jump on me. They say, men pay me, who I say, mo, intina, men kuna meda. But if your eye red, when you miss me jiga, if I be nobody. Then why say your wife see me, no, she the show body. You better check yourself. Charlie, get up, woman. Can't clean, I can walk a bag, woman. Get up, woman. Can't clean, I can walk a bag, woman. Get back, Sunday now you and your mommy let go heku. Me and my boys we all alone. And if you know they see we for town, you know they mean say one year jeku. They say men pay me who I say mo intina men kona meda. But if your eye red when you miss to me jiga, Charlie you know why? It be God did they bless my list. So next time you say my name, Charlie put some respect on it. You better check yourself. Charlie, get up, woman. Can't clean, I can walk a bag, woman. Get up, woman.
Let them know say you're mine, oh, I go choose you over design, oh. Too Bobby. I'll make you my baby, so make me your lady, yeah. Correct, oh correct. For better, for worse, oh for worse, we do it, yeah. Correct, oh correct. For better, for worse.
Me take you for a ride. I know you bad, but me I don't like. Yeah. Many girls, but me I don't like. Me too many eyes, you alone. Superu, although you best so me know, my baby superu. Oh yeah. Superu, although you best so me know, my baby superu. Miami do. Saudi was never me one. I'm in Miami do. Baby, you make my heart beat. Girl, your love that beat me. Things you do to me, girl, you don't even know. No. Superu, although you best so me know, my baby superu. Oh yeah. Superu, although you best so me know, my baby superu. I don't wanna know if you got a boyfriend. I just wanna know, baby, if you feeling me. Are you feeling the boy? Cause I go fit give you better. I go fit put you better. Make I love you better. Yeah. Beautiful, oh my God. Baby, beautiful, oh my darling.
Kwabra kwasi. And your papa dear, unkwana obo. Charlie dance what don't you feel. Shino, go to my control. I was so qua.
You got me control, it's so fire. You got me control. Me and your back, I'm nowhere. You got me control, it's so fire. I just dropped 4 down. Yeah, I get down. Me and this girl, we dey run down. Fine girl, she get me from Cape Town. Me, I tell am say I no get time, but she no give me some small chance. No person me go win in my mind. Fine girl, me I dey for you. My heart will be for you. And every time I think about you, I just wanna be with you. Fine girl, me I dey for you. My heart will be for you. And every time I think about you, I just wanna be with you. So fire, my blood so fire. Been coming so fire. But none of me so more so fire. So fire. My blaze on fire.
My breakfast, Papa dear, won't one hour. Charlie, that's all I'm doing. She know me. Now what's
You got me control it so fire.
My breakfast, and Papa dear, won't one hour. Charlie, that's what I'm doing for you. She know me. Now,
Mid-morning show. Mid-morning show. Have them blessed day.
Let it be go. Let it be go. Let it be go. Hey, oh Nandino, 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 on the brand never go, Nandino. The brand never go and we showing him the witchy go and on the brand never go and we showing him the witchy go and on the brand never go and hallelujah each day they make each day da say we put it oh no tell it back where sweet where shake it so put it.
You just say money no be problem. Finally, oh. Shut it down to the
We pull up with the bomb killer. We come through like John Cena. Anything they do better. Hide your girl cause we don't give up. We know the fear, shell it. And we look fly, oh baby. Sweet vibes, hey yeah. Ballers,
de on kwana obo chale dan so abem to feel what shino otumani na wo se kwa
we come through like John Cena. Anything they do better. Hide your girl, cause we don't give up. We know the fear, shell it, and we look fly. Oh, pepe, sweet vibes, hey, yeah. Ballers, shell it. Me and the guys, we there for one gonna. Hide your love, from the fire.
And trust me if I thought you, I love this song.
The guys, we there for one corner.
I love this song from Kwame Eugene. Eugene Manfo. I love this song. One side. Eva. Shall we bring the song back? And you and me name it, tell me, be me. Right, so music of Eugene Kwame Manfo. And he calls this one Fire. One side.
We come through like John Cena. Anything they do better. Hide your girl, cause we don't give up. We know the fear, shell it, and we look fly. Oh, pepe, sweet vibes, hey, yeah. Ballers, belly. Me and the guys, we there for one corner. Hide your love, from the fire.
Hey.
Me and the guys, we there for one corner. Hide your love, from the
Right, so let me read some of the messages I have here. This one says, I'm very well, I'm Faith. Governor, please, how about you? Okay, so Baruso boy, he comes again to say, but Governor, if you move from Odan, won't you go to Odan again? And if yes, how will your brother earn money? Because you are part of our success. Oh, I'm part of your success, eh?
And we look fly.
Oh, everybody down. Eva.
Me and the guys, we there for
one corner. Right, this one says, my name is Regina, and I want you to play me Friday night to wish Kotokura's players a good luck. Hey, Regina, by this time, good luck. And then, what is happening at Kotokura's camp? Something they go on, Charlie, and I mean, something they go on for there. And I couldn't play us, you know.
We come through like John Cena. Anything they do.
Right, so today on the lifestyle segment, I will throw you one or two things.
And we look fly.
Yeah, so stay tuned. Very soon, pretty soon. In no time, we'll move straight to our lifestyle segment this morning.
From the fire. Me and the guys, we there for one corner. Hide your love, from the fire.
Everybody now.
Holiday, here we come.
I'm fair, you know, like. This is a good song. And one of my favorite from Kwame Eugene. This song and Angela. I love Angela and I love this song. I just don't know why, but I love this song to the mass. Trust me. Hey, and no, and then the Dean say fire. It contains a lot of fire. I feel Kwame put all his energy in this song. Like, comparing these songs to Kwame songs, I think this is the song. One day, Yenyano studio, I'll ask you, how did he get about this song? Because this song is too spiritual. I don't know if you share the same sentiment with me, but this song is too spiritual, very spiritual. Hey. Again, let's do this one again. Before I come in with our lifestyle segment, let's bring the song from the thug. Shabo, do it from the top. 30 minutes after 11, 93.3 FM. But I refuse to go into the Friday mood this Wednesday. Nah, I'm not going into that mood.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
John Cena. Anything they do better. Hide your girl, cause we don't give up. We know the fear, shell it, and we look fly. Oh, pepe, sweet vibes, yeah. Baller, belly. Me and the guys, we there for one corner, oh corner, oh corner. Hide your lover, oh lover, oh lover. From the fire, fire, oh fire, yeah. Me and the guys, we there for one corner, oh corner, oh corner. Hide your lover, lover, oh lover. From the fire, fire, oh fire, yeah. We got our eyes on the girls in the corner. Eyes on the girls in the corner. We got our eyes on the girls in the corner. Eyes on the girls in the corner. We live in la vida loca. Holiday, here we come. My guys are scared to enter the DM of Megan Thee Stallion. Cause we are young, we carry on, oh my God, bet you are feeling this song, we know the fear, shell it, and we look fly, oh pepe, sweet vibes, yeah, all
everyone now, Right, so 93.3 FM. This is the midweek edition of Adwuma. And this is what we do. We make sure we give you all the good groove whilst you working. We make sure you enjoy good music whilst you busy at work. We make sure we bring down some stress, we cool down some stress. No giddy. It's a Wednesday. Charlie, as I told you earlier in the morning, don't take life too serious. You may end up disappointing yourself and your parents and your family as a whole. Just relax. Take it cool. On the low. You know what I'm saying? Right, so in the meantime, Global School of Aviation Management, Michelle, and the admitting students, people who are ready and also have the passion to work at the airport as a flight attendant, and also those that have the passion to work as air hostess, as a traveling agent or airliner, and also if you want to be a clearing or forwarding agent at the Ghana Post and Harbour Authority, Global School of Aviation Management says come and pick up a form right here at Ahenkan FM premises. Come and pick a form and be part of this wonderful institution. So here are some of the courses they offer in the school: airfare ticketing and reservation, shipping or port operation management, maritime management, hospitality management, tourism and culture management, media and journalism. The school is located at Kenten Krono, Kumasi, near the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. And when you are done with this school, 6 months, it's just 6 months, you'll be awarded a certificate by ICM UK. Now we have special benefits as well for you, and that is job opportunity assurance, exchange program in the UK, and internship as well. So these are the requirements. If you are SHS, a WASI holder. Is it WASI or WAEC? WASI, eh? So if you're WASI holder, I'm waiting the results. If you are waiting for your results, and you are a student of vocational or technical school, a holder of diploma, HND, and also a degree, or an A-level student as well, and mature students, you can just come and pick up a form here at Ahenkan FM. It's just 6 months, and you will be a professional flight attendant. Right, so call us on 0204 150685 or 05933465557 0204 150685 or 05933465557. OVI Electronics. Me pacho. Prepare product ni bito. If you hire TV, fridge, deep freezer, gas cooker, blender, kettles, washing machines at a very affordable price. Me pacho. Breath has to say ya nyama ne boafo. Papa a quality. Men ko thought idea ne boafo. Now 2-3 days per
when your problem, I update you or WhatsApp status say I need a TV repairer. Do you look like TV repairers for you? Oh, I just got TV, Papa. Brefia here. Maybe at your friend 0554 171393 0554 171393 and one friend penny for Shea. Now I'm a GTV. Papa, what car on a basso? Joe, I am a Brazil, friendly in so basso. When you be on Shadia, you do yourself. But Pebito, now you call my J, you sort to talk, and you are getting a pin. You are resting for one mom. You swallowing yourself, Tona. Any EDP. A patch on my J Sabra, I diagnose you. I'm a J Sabra, you extra. What modern scan machine? Away I swear, I feel so you love in the 24/7 your boy Juma and Tibrana. You whom be a real Shandian to us, your mom. A patcho, Ebia on Swakoti, Sabi. A mountain no Pimayamre, 1.1 Posunina, your physiotherapy, Brania Meow, come upon your massage. Not no penals and come back to the normal. Your quantum detector. I feel so you're real to see. I swear you're one of my two said amount. It be infertility, typhoid, ulcer, prostate enlargement, cancer, syphilis, hepatitis B and C, kidney problem, menstrual problem, gonorrhea, diabetes. It to us here for 0244 877 840 and 0205 045 665. I'm a J-Bar clinic and why you receive you watching at Red Cross Junction, opposite of a green gas filling station, and I'll be here. Now let's go straight to our lifestyle segment this morning, and our topic is spend less than you earn. Mommy says to be spend less than you earn. Now, this might sound straightforward, but it's easier said than done. Yes, I hope you know. We live in a country where peer pressure, living costs, and free lifestyle choices can push us to spend beyond our means. No one is exempt from this trap, as it can happen to each and everybody. I know what I'm talking about. You see, let me tell you this. Well, you have a choice. For example, you can choose to take a taxi or a trotro to work, depending on the depth of your pockets. But if you are needed to get to your destination on time, you might opt to, go for a drop-in, just to get at the workplace on time. You know why? Because this drop-in antenna, it does less stopping on the road. Trotro do bejina, but the taxis they won't stop. Let me tell you this. No matter how much or how little you are paid, you will never get ahead if you spend more than you earn. So salary you're saying, you see kasem you're saying. Let me break it down for you. Nyano pay me can't show you and say, don't ever spend more than you earned. Obi salary 1,000 cedis. Obi salary TDA pa. Obi salary 1,000 cedis. But another iPhone 14 for release Apple release iPhone 14. No. The target is to get iPhone 14. Meanwhile, your salary is 1,000 cedis. And this is my younger man's be what Hanum say. Or salary 1,000. Or rent for a year. 2,400. Oh, they say 120. And I answer 126 here, 120. And if I say 1,200, no, 120 cities. 120 cities. Okay, it is maybe a month. Maybe you live in a single self-contained. It's a month. Then a month with you. A month. Sorry, they were a month. A month. 120. So let's do this month. Where's my calculator? Yes. So 120, yeah, times 12. 1,440. It's 1,440. You to your salary is 1,000. Until who say o rent crowd out to same salary. Oba faka wom. Oba faka wom. Obeto data. When you like your office bit is Ahenkan from Abenya wife for you so you are gone and dead. Into the fans say Obeto data. Makaka. Obafaka. Obeto atade. Obedidi. And so you want to go and buy iPhone 14. Sometimes I am in syncophobia, so maybe I share. Yeah, baby, and yeah, bempo. I want can say you cut your coat according to your size. Don't allow yourself to be pressured. Man or be pressure be or to be from behind. And live life according to your means. Share a monthly salary. Na share senior ube live you abrabo. Every a flex so you could have the latest phone. You are driving the latest car. You have the latest watch like my own. My watch is very expensive. Today be me the to me. See, I'm nursing it also. My mom can say as I'm nursing to now like it's a Wednesday, so we are doing lifestyle segments. Nursing phone 2,000. Nursing. I cut off for 2,000. What the salary you cut off for? But on a more serious note, please, share or brand your bono. Cut your coat according to your size. What shall we pay our John? No, I shall send our ball bra. Man, will be pressure and foul because I know we are living in a country, we are living in a town. In fact, I came down here. People are being pressured in doing things. To me a broma so on the lifestyle segment this morning or this Wednesday, this is what I'm telling you. Don't spend more than you earn. Don't spend more than you earn. O salary kakra na crown na manage it. Making sure say you live according to your means. Say I was saying opa udidi na ewia wunidi na nyume wudidi a do it. Men can say obi di anope wi anwumre ntu be di anope wi anwumre. Men can say someone has the latest phone, so you also want to have the latest phone. Men can say this one look good. Anope na me catch shaboni kobike. Akwabi was say ne show me asan. The body splash asan. In fact, ni roll on, they dig your motor. And say esa. Yes, esamba. And this is ya we spray na moto mako na woja bako because we spray to the ya ebesa iba na wenye ska here dey antofofro on pressure no honka say me koto me spray to the ya we spray ne left na woja right no o china na we spray we no woja we kopem sa de ne besa obenye ska obetofofro. That was just on a lighter note, but me pacho on a serious note, men live life obesadeka. I've seen people almost salary bar omo di twiaka. Enti no omo de kai in advance. The salary nya tom kunkron na so or forward e the money power dey. O de nika. Na wasabe tena ho no aprapra no na o cherekom. Just because we're living life he or she was not supposed to live. Flashy things, flashy clothes, big shoes. Meanwhile, our salary is just 1,000 cedis. What a total transportation free. Hey, a macross I'm crying a mobile 777. You man every month be almost a top pad. Depending for money, man. And I'm every month be our barber top pad. Into pad or transportation or did die or saloon. Maybe yimiti. We are may abide me, and you fool ya, mimi brenya, meeting a fool tentel. And you fool ye. But Oba, you see, you need to look good. I am a woman to be our best society. It's me, Pacho, dear sister, sweetheart, please. Kakrana ojena managino na enson. Come on. I hope I'm communicating. Yes, on a Wednesday, this is our lifestyle segment. on 93.3 FM. And I kind. Me see. Spend less than you earn. Spend less. Taxi driver. Oya wo says you kakra na benya no fatu susu. Jai sister na ewie bia take away na da come no. The be membo say di no. Esa my advert. The bia take away. And until mini meboding. Adami jai. Lady bia man pa. Or ha na guy be friend, guy dey treat taxi. No my friend no. Hello, what did he? Oh, come me tell you now, bro. Madam, if I want one among them who called off one among them who called. Hello, what did he? Come me tell you now, bro. Now lady say, oh, me okay. I'm catch and say, oh, I got when yami wo too much. Uko share Florence. Uko share Florence. Wa me pounds of Versace. Now dear. Me no drivers. I beg you. Man, dig. And sir. Who that you this guy you are spending one will leave you. Me, I'm telling you the truth. This girl you are buying her take away every morning, every afternoon, in the evening. You go and pick her and go and drop her in the house. She will leave you. So keep the money for better things. I'm not saying that they are not. You excuse my language though, but she will leave you. Akosia the Paduma is sit head. She's here. And a quick shout to a queer dimple. I go say I won't cry on my chain. Dimple.
What's it?
What's this? I also saw. Tell me phone a gusu say you.
Eh, before you by dinner home. I don't know phone is by dinner one.
Carl and Jen home. Oh baby.
That's that nothing. And now
that's a currency filling station.
I better be a
and I will feel me with it. It's a village station. It's me with our father. And our father said, no, Minka.
I know me be a news and no panel. Me buy ya. Nothing who say my pet or chest selfie. And I'm saying, hey!
Me, who no?
Oh, no. A craft fro.
Oh, I'm a catcher.
I want catch up by for when new who yet.
I will say, what do that minute go be cell phone be on? And I'm say 1,800. And I can say, Yanko is camera.
Oh, okay.
By a corner in Suto, it's Yanko back.
The Manco is can view.
Yanko is can grab him. It's the end on a shadow catcher, me say. Next to phone in the crown. Next to say 2,500 so or boy. Say the American no go who in the 1,800 and you're 2,500.
I've put 1,800 no one turn.
I got over for
it's your offer.
It's now had the crown name boy.
I said, what's it 2,000? Sound or catch it all. Nanya nursing crown that I didn't see a near come phone be was and me 2,000 koto phone.
It's in the phone of me who phone call. Maybe the answer said when you could phone. It was 1,800.
Phone the crown, maybe I cost 1,002.
Sir, I know what you sent to the 800 account.
Because last time we knew no. On to phone 2,000.
On to
phone 1,800. On to. Hey!
The car crown or
no what?
It's if
listen to phone 2,000. 1,800. It's coming to trade use.
This way.
Oh yeah.
This way. This one I come as
a code use.
Message you as no. E Kobina, I saw your car in the house this oh
yeah, I can't think car.
Yes. Message you know. Baluso who car na day.
Can I don't collide.
On don't collide here. With him. Baluso frame. Na cano crane. Shabo, come and call this number for me. Me penny poor cano crane. See this first one. Kind of the thing is, I want to shock price everybody.
The way
I want to shock price.
The not the bahano.
Customer na busamza.
The me Zabiana me coffee and all the food for we buy.
Me simba say me shock
price. And then because I the one here card the one.
Oh, now I don't tell them me can.
Baby I can't take position I can't.
Not the age, my
Oh, you're trying kind.
Inti say I can't stick about me car.
Into where that tea, what you can about that tea radio.
Meet you upon.
What did it tea?
And then
what's your first ticket?
What's your
first
Ah, I
saw any tape.
Over.
The light of a
Oh, wow.
Make I maybe Kano, yet free, ya call him po. Wabam.
Baruso. Baruso, you are live on radio. What is saying? Yanko Pondom. Cano cray who can not can I tell you to say? Cano cray, Menchantro.
Can you friend into my?
Oh,
your friend to Master saying, Tapoli and Nadia.
There be unsa car, so open so surprise will be a. We are your clothes, I had the cataho.
Until Nadia sound.
Exactly.
Madam Nusa car, the old park is if ye. Na sabi won you so bi o ma na ka na ajonkolize a
exactly
me you know so cry call bodam abod
kan nye kan no he se me de kwabna kan ne toto nursing kan no ho a nursing de na fa
favoritism abim
oh there be
no favoritism abim
say kan matena mu da Adana nya traffic people so ya na ebeka ye samo ye fi ye kwa impo ye kwa bobo
that's
ye banana nurse ne kura car no
ana kai
ene te say what
now it's movie
na meti apuzo ken meti kapem
uni de si say we do manager buzam say ade no ya
ya me kwa ka sante ba
na ya to ade tie ma he ya buzanese na nkasa se
senese nkasa o kan ye papa pan de na so no de na
buzanese odi free ahaba a chance no ono be ka say chale your kai dey run o hey your engine abuzano shawo na uni o come ke weren't you there
nese na ka kire o ene nese kan ye twa de airport
Chana se ko. Dadako.
Kwabile, mo obi be se montagi opokuma, mo fro opokuma.
Ya fro opokuma.
Mo fro opokuma me.
Okay.
Ese sa haya na mbetna me ka so. Kotoku Royals. Omo timi mo bo that sports stadium.
Endra mi hu bi.
Enna opoku se, me si omo de ho be ye fuo na opoku kra be ka bie na opoku se. Wo mo jijiska. Na sika no Wama di aya park no. Sika di wama jeje. Na bere na opoku kire say contractor no say ade na ochi ba ko be ya park ni fa baabi no won be bo mo first match home match nti no. Won bo wi a na omo kwa we na no asan so ato aso no aye bi no. Ensi
aba o kan sa first match na. Me ka so say
first omo mo fe opoku say first match.
No but me say yes Kotokuru as one be bo matches ni bi away but has of folk dey any there
opoku say me say first match ko metimi abo ha ada yenko play back na
and this is here there because
mo fro opoku ma me
Manchester City I say omo ko ball kept cause
mo be ko ball Honda aba ko ball se ni me be kan na me say opoku ne benufo ne nam eno si dabi bantifo no ko mo anya mfo anye Sikande on wadede na adentina de o mutimi mo first match no wa I don't mutimi mo first match no wa
opoku aba
opoku
yes
owen
me nam
he wonna me Kotoku for na say me catch us so mutimi mo first match wo home e wo park no so ne stadium park no so ana so me bo ho
ade fa ya rawo chemo
ya rawo samway then they are awesome. Scan way.
In fact, anima, where on the yes, and any expected. Any expectation. You have to be about ya, so now.
I'm fat.
But when I can't say so many that's all. Ugure mo na sport de ma contract na de wo ye juma na senior sika sema na ye tare
opoku skano anso
ni ade power ni de odasem oku bi ma na kenka de no aba ni ye
ba opoku mamenti asomasi yo sika no omuntumi fanye like enso and I say what is it because Matthew says here Kotokuru has come omo away home
play Cape Coast
say unje Ram 96 for no, Deuno, Amanyantum. And I'm new near baby and say because of the abro any day year, eating any party, yeah, and name print. This number against Yavaha. If you could be a citizen or Daniel and go on, you need party here with the whole you see in case you know. Party here, not everybody says, central region.
But Opoku say Mengini say abroad near there because Sena Wangasa okay say FNO and Giantum Eastern region sports don't be anyone as still don't be anyone my standard. I bet me about Premier League there. I don't think say bro because any standard.
The Jamaica san say young regions by region. By Eastern region, nothing can put Jamaica here. Now you need stadium Kabana. Stadium ABA stadium a bit my friendly Pakra 5,000. I mean, the bottom of Nigeria, the bit my country is a party. You need you. You need because I'm not going to the same day, and they not meaning go be doing como. Almost it's easy with the power, when president, when your finance minister, when you will put them here and a mini park. I have a walk, I'm not.
Enti Opokwe.
Ya qualify e will be beautiful.
Right. Opoku Matthias is yansha the disadvantage of Ohonom na yekono. Will it affect the team and I say ya bonekeke?
Yes, see an the acquaintance ya bonekeke because na say ubo kumukra na that because it's here you want central region no kwabon 1 NSA for be park minister on be kutukuska 2 kutuku beji o ntimi nka so kwaba nto be handan 3 kwamena ubetia la de ewo 4 ubetia water bill afi supporters ben ye wo central region mo support kutuku a amakutuska akoshe kutuku bo kutuku no su bia ama no kwa boka
so but
kutuku sign in the grass yo mo ye yo sign 10 new players kwabena and players na say that net players are only better to have to fool in Swatamai, Samate, Asante Kotoko sign.
Madam, Matra as a player Kokone dear. Kokone dear,
I was a man to easy region, sir. Tima qualify with region for flow. May I not court next region on Kobani Ball. Kotuku as now asset example. Now we actually say,
Matthias, time in the time of this last question, I am. Mianshadi say you. Omo first leg in wo hokeke. Say you breaking your cover, I bet my back to Akemoda.
And they are saying funny says omo be too much na contract and say we are.
Okay. And you say good news. Into the year say en confirm koso en contribute.
And let's can no woman try intimidate me catch you say we are match in na yamo ha.
It should be Baba say. Yes say the actual telecom sports minister. Na ni bisa o kabana. Said yeni ayon kwala. So you say MPP for your budget every. Am next budget in Beba ebia November or 2023. You see, I'm saying you wake up money about the blaster about the prepare. It's minister, sports minister, they are not getting our blaster.
Oh yes.
It is here. What can say what the sports stadium? Time for share sports minister come up. You can't even see the big man. And it's an all my budget in you. It's cabin and a baby.
And I'm a kind. Mr. Your matches in Opoku. I feel that you too.
You know, in Yama, Uncle Crabby.
Uncle for no
the politicians are one in a disappointing. Because I know many Swatamai guy because I say, oh, share in Swatamai Kumua, Eba,
some politicians, yes, and as now, now in Kophobia, why you said they will drag you into the gutters.
Sometimes, I see a kind of crazy there.
Opoku, yeah, time for fancy, yeah, fancy, me Facebook are saying to my issue. That answer me can say.
That's going through.
Wow, in fact, sometimes if you talk about politicians here in Akemoda, and people think say, says a politician.
Young fan say MPP 100 million. Yebenya 1.2
Opokutoa dream, don't assume they won't. Stop assuming, sir. Stop. And I'm just stop assuming, sir. MPB on Potema Bay. On Bay and Comaya Dada. It's almost to their course. I'm on social media. I'm on the radio. I'm on their course. Yanko. Opokato phone. Forgot to find.
And one no. Yeah, baby, I'm on my ground here. Never na grown you can a wear ya. I can't wear a grown a good crown and you have a dinner. Yeah,
probably a Jenny champion watching cosmos with us. Yankopaya the much on Thursday. You come on with Councillor Scalon. Whom will chroma from a Jenny champion watching Mejoso. From a Jabruz man.